Compatible with dimmable LED, incandescent, and halogen lights. For mechanical fans with pull string speed control. Dual slide controls. Slider for fan is 3 speeds, not for variable type fans or remote controlled. Slider for lights provides for smooth dimming with a noticeable click off when moving slider past the dimmest position. Made of polycarbonate thermoplastic material to provide durability and resilience to withstand hard impacts and heavy force. Pre-wired with leads for easy do-it-yourself installation. Max ceiling fan load of 2.5 A, 3-speed fans only, max light load of 300 W incandescent. Make sure LED bulbs are the dimmable type. ETL listed, 1-year warranty, wall plates sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I needed. I had an older dual dimmer light fan thing and it would never dim my light properly. I got this and installed. Had a few minor wiring issues and the wiring is from the 50s with thick and difficult to bend wires. I also had a bit of trouble deciphering the 2 wall wires as they were not connected to my existing dimmer. But, I figured it out by asking my electrician friend. Also had trouble getting all the wires back in the box, as there were other wires piggy-backed into it so that the dimmer would be flush to the wall. But, I got it and it works great. Only issues I had were not due to the item, but the existing wiring. Perfect.